Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Today is a full day of eating at work, and I'm on my way there now. So I'm going to show you, I made the cinnamon swirl coffee cake in this little bowl that I had at home. I'm going to bring this with me so to eat it in the car. And I have some fuelings packed, and we will go through the day with my fuelings for you. This weekend, Sunday, I'm going to do weigh-in, so I'm excited. All right, I will see you at fueling 2. I'm going to go eat this on my way to work. See you in a while. It's lunchtime. I'm making some chicken noodle soup here in our kitchen at work. Setting it for 5 minutes. Here we go. Here it is. Look at that. And it's so cold. So a nice bowl of soup will be wonderful. This is what the package looks like. I'm sure you're all familiar with it. It's the home style chicken noodle. So, gonna go eat, drink another bottle of water, and finish my work. See you later. Time to eat again. Chocolate mint bar going down. All right, so we're at the next fueling. Chocolate pudding. The day is winding down. I'm gonna finish my work and head out of here soon. It was fun today to make fuelings instead of just having the bars. Gave me a chance to not be bored, I guess you could say. So tonight for dinner, I have some tilapia out, but I only have a small amount, so I have to add some more protein to that. So when I get home, I'll show you what I'm having. But so far, so good. No hunger. I'm feeling really good. Hey guys, I just got home from work and threw this together. I decided not to do the tilapia because I just wasn't in the mood for it. So once a week on the 5-in-1 plan, you are allowed to have 3 whole eggs. So I made them over easy, and I did 3 servings of green beans, and I sprayed it with a little bit of spray butter, and I added 1 wedge of Laughing Cow. This is my lean and green for tonight. I'm gonna go eat because I'm starving. And I will see you at the last fueling. We are at the last fueling of the night, and I decided, I was kind of feeling like oatmeal raisin cookie, kind of something, you know, like warm and comfort food wise. So I made a bowl of oatmeal, cinnamon oatmeal. Oh my God, can I speak? Cinnamon apple. Wow, it's been a long day. Cinnamon apple oatmeal. I use half a cup of water, the packet of fueling, and then when it's all done, I add a little bit of this pancake syrup to it because it just about a tablespoon, it just gives it that perfect bit of sweetness. If you don't like the oatmeal, please revisit them. But if you have this, it will make your day. I'm telling you, you will grow to love it. It's a fabulous fueling when you want something cakey or cookie. I left my fridge open. Let me go close that. Hold on 1 second. And there's Miss Petunia on the counter. So yes, cakey or dessert-like. This one is a good one. It's delicious. I think there's another one called maple cinnamon one or maple brown sugar. They're both really good, but the apple one, Apple Orchard or whatnot, is my absolute favorite. Now, get a load of this. Look at the hair. Yes! Tomorrow at 3:30 in the afternoon, I will be sitting in the chair at the salon. Look at the gray. Horrible. Cannot wait to get my hair done tomorrow. I am way overdue. Way overdue. So, I'm going to eat my oatmeal. I'm going to go take a shower. And Jess and I are going to relax tonight. We have a lot of stuff going on this weekend. And I will be bringing you with me as usual on the weekends. We'll do some vlogs together. Maybe we'll cook together. We'll see. But anyway, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today at work. It's Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Stay focused because I know the weekends are very hard for a lot of us. So stay focused, stay well, and remember, we can do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do it together. You and me and you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.